Hi, this is Taryn Grome, editor of Pharma Voice. We met with numerous inspirational thought leaders at this year's DIA annual conference as part of our Editors Take Video series. I hope you enjoyed this discussion.
In this episode, Taryn meets with Jason Casarella, Executive Vice President, Advanced Clinical.
Jason, it's great to see you again, and welcome to DIA here in Boston.
Hi, Taryn. Great to see you as well.
Jason, some in the industry feel that large clinical development service providers have been slow to adapt to changes in technology and research approaches. Do you agree?
I do to some degree, Taryn. Change management is challenging in any organization, and we believe it's more challenging the larger the organization is. We've seen a lot of specialization because of many of the mergers and consolidations happening, and we really believe that more mid-sized service providers are more agile to really lead innovation. It's been one of our themes here at DIA this week. We believe that successful innovation is not only in the technology that's being used, but how we as service providers are creating ways to optimize that technology with more efficient and cost-saving operations. We recently joined Align Clinical CRO to assist with standardization in the industry.
That's great insights. With the adoption of ICH E6R2, what impact have you seen in your business, and how are your clients reacting?
Taryn, we've carefully reviewed the revised guidance and really thoroughly vetted the changes. This allows us to assist our clients in interpreting and implementing responses not only as risk-based approaches to monitoring, but also as part of the overall quality and risk mitigation plan. We really guide them through the establishment of the appropriate steps to ensure audit readiness, as well as compliance, and using data-driven monitoring approaches to direct time and resources appropriately.
Fantastic. We know there's competition within our industry to attract and retain the best possible staff. What do you consider to be the optimal strategy?
Well, projects are finite, but careers are not. And for us, we really believe that understanding how the completion of finite projects complement long-term career goals, we can really retain and redeploy some of the best people in the industry. For us, the importance of maintaining the appropriate culture, employee-focused environment, as well as high degree of employee engagement will drive our retention.
Thank you. That's great to hear. We know that oncology and rare diseases are hot topics. With new scientific advancements each day, how are you seeing clinical development studies programs for these therapeutic areas change over the last few years?
Well, basket design studies are more commonly used in early phase oncology investigations, but we're now seeing them in ultra-rare clinical development programs. This captures safety and efficacy data across similar diseases under one protocol, which really allows the sponsor to make go or no-go decisions more quickly.
Jason, finally, what are some of the trends you're seeing here at DIA this year?
I think the biggest trend is just the theme of innovation, with more focus on minimizing risk and embracing data. There's more data coming in to clinical trials than ever before. Ken Getz's presentation this morning talked about doubling or tripling of data points through clinical trials today. So really understanding how to guide clients through using it, making sure that protocols are not too technical or too restrictive to allow for the right level of patient enrollment, and just really making sure that investigators are sharing progress so that everyone can learn through the clinical research process.
Excellent. And in terms of technology, we're hearing that's one of the great connectors, and it's going to be able to link those disparate data sources. So what role do you think technology is going to play in the future of the life sciences?
I think there's still many areas of technology that has yet to be developed. A lot of discussion on blockchain technology and validating the individual patient's record. There's some concerns with security as more patients get more involved with sharing data through wearables and patient-reported outcomes and mobile devices. What does that mean in terms of data security and data privacy, as well as GDPR? That's a very big topic right now, especially in Europe.
We were just talking with somebody about the ethics of all that data, and I think that's going to be a huge complexity going forward as well.
Yes, we agree.
Thank you so much for being with us for our Editors Take Video program.
Thank you, Taryn. Great to be here.
For more information on this topic, visit our Thought Leaders website.
For more Editors Take Videos from the DIA Annual Conference, visit www.pharmavoice.com. Thanks for joining us.